Today, you will learn how to make a holiday card on Microsoft Word. Open Microsoft Word and click File, then click New. Here you'll see the template search box. Type Holiday Card, Greeting Card, or Season's Greetings, then press Enter. Word will display a variety of professionally designed templates that you can use for free. Simply click on any template you like to preview it, and if you find one that matches your style, click Create. Word will download the template and open it as a new document that's ready to edit. Microsoft provides these ready-made templates directly inside Word, making it easy to create professional-looking cards in just a few minutes. Now let's personalize the card. Click on any text placeholder and type your own holiday message, such as Happy Holidays or any greeting you'd like to send. You can also add the recipient's name and your own name at the bottom. If the template includes a picture that you want to replace, click the image, then go to the Picture Format tab, or simply right-click the picture and choose Change Picture. Select this device, choose your photo or holiday image, and click Insert. Word automatically places the new picture into the template, and you can resize it or reposition it if needed. If you'd like to change the font style, font size, or text color, simply select the text and use the options on the Home tab until you're happy with the design. Once your holiday card looks the way you want, it's time to save it. Click File, then Save As, choose a location on your computer, give your card a name, and click Save. If you want to print it, click File, then Print, check the preview, and print it on cardstock or high-quality paper for the best results. You can also save it as a PDF if you want to email the card or share it digitally with friends and family. That's it. If this video helped you create your first holiday card, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe.